Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Justice Marie. If you guys are new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you guys are not new, like I said, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this half up half down with two ponytails. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't hard. So I am gonna let you know the hair that I'm using is like some old bundles that I had. The glue that I used was this 30-second super hair bond glue. You can get that from your local beauty supply. I also got this heat protectant spray that I use for my leave out, y'all. This helped blend my leave out really well. As far as molding down the cap in the back, I use this Ebin Wonder spray. My flat irons, I think these called the titaniums or something like that, but yeah, baby bliss or something, those are good. And then I also use this edge effect edge control. And yeah, I just used a black stocking cap, y'all. This was really easy. You don't need that much to do this. Like, you could really use old hair to get this hairstyle done. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I got this hairstyle. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. I be getting so many views on my videos and y'all not subscribing, but y'all be commenting, and I love the comments. But make sure you guys subscribe as well. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna try to explain this as best as I can, y'all. When it comes to the parting, you want to make sure you get your part correct. This is very important, y'all. If you don't get this right, your style is going to look off, okay? Pay close attention. And then I went ahead and put a rubber band on the top part to separate that from the next step. So you are going to need to pull out some leave out to cover the tracks. You don't want it too thick. If I was you, I would flat iron it and hot comb it, y'all. I didn't have a hot comb, so I didn't really get it as sleek as I wanted to. But for you guys, make sure you get a hot comb so you can hot comb and press that out. So you want to pull enough out to cover the tracks, and you want to pull your sideburns out with a little side edges or whatever to cover the tracks as well. And once you get done with that, you just want to braid that down. So when we get to the back, you want to make sure you braid that down as well, y'all. Y'all want a flat foundation. You don't want no bulky braids, okay? We don't want bulky braids. And I want to say I did like at least 5 or 6 of these. Y'all see how big it is? This do not have to be perfect. These braids do not have to be perfect, okay? Okay, so as y'all can see, I connected that braid with that one. That just makes it a lot easier, so I won't have to use thread. I hate using thread when I'm about to use glue. Like, that don't work. So the part that we're going to use for leave out, I went ahead and braided that down and curved it to the front as well, and connected my little sideburn. Y'all also have like that side piece out on the other side as well. Y'all just can't see. But now you're going to part your top part down the middle, and this is just to prep you so when you get ready to mold your ponytails together, like you'll already have this done. As y'all can see, my parts are not straight. I was doing this hairstyle by myself. I did not have no help, and I just don't see how people use a mirror. But as y'all can see, this is how my foundation looks. Now y'all, we're going to use a black stocking cap with the Ebin Adhesive spray. I use the black can. I love that, y'all. I would also say go in with some protective shield and some pump it up spritz, like I'm telling y'all. Although mine did peel off like a wig, but I still would just advise you guys to use some pump it up spray and a protective shield. I'm stuttering so hard, y'all. But now I'm going to use my 30-second glue. Y'all could get this, everything that's in this video you could get from your local beauty supply store. And you basically just want to go all the way up and curve it to the top of the leave out, where the leave out is going to cover the tracks. So now we're about to take that down, y'all. Like I told you, I did not have a straightening comb, so I had to do what I had to do, and all I had at the moment was my flat irons. When you get to this part, you want to use some wax, like a wax stick. I don't think I used a wax stick. If I did, it would have been like a lot more smoother than what it was. But you want to use a wax stick, and then you also want to use some protective shield. You don't want to use too much grease though, because you don't want your leave out to be heavy. So when it comes to this part, y'all, take your time, okay? Do section by section, even if you have to split the leave out. Split the leave out and part it and flat iron it. Like, do what you gotta do to get it as flat as possible. I was rushing because I was just ready to see how the outcome was gonna be, but I feel like if I would have used a wax stick and I had my hot comb, everything would have just been laid a little bit more than what it was. But it's okay though, y'all. Check out my leave out. Check out that leave out. Stop playing with me. Yes, y'all, my hair is growing. Like real bad. If y'all watch my big chop video, then y'all know. So now when it comes to the ponytails, y'all, I'm balding. Don't look at it. Please don't look at that. When it comes to the ponytails, y'all, like I told y'all, I didn't have a hot comb. I think it would have been way flatter had I had a hot comb. But now you're going to use your Ebin spray. And once you spray the Ebin spray, you got to move fast. And you want to get like an edge brush or a hard brush and just brush it like real smooth. And use your blow dryer to mold as you go. And that's what I did throughout these ponytails. So what you do to one side, you do to the other side. Y'all with the baby hairs, if y'all wanted to pull out more baby hairs, y'all can. As y'all can see, I hardly have any right there. Like, my baby hairs are real small, so I didn't have that much to work with. But it's okay, y'all. It's okay. Y'all just gonna be saying forehead. Now we finna break this down. Normally I would use like the black paper strips, and y'all know what's so funny? The black paper strips was in my kitchen on the countertop. That literally drove me, because guess what I started using, y'all? Guess what I started using? Tissue, y'all. But it worked. Hey, I didn't get no glue on my braids, so I wasn't tripping. So I did this just to make it a little smaller, because I didn't want to have to wrap the tracks all the way from the end, because my braid is a little long. So I folded it and put a rubber band there, and y'all just gonna see me, well, I didn't show y'all me wrapping it with tissue, but yeah, and I just put a rubber band on it to hold the tissue together. Now we're gonna put our glue, our bonding glue, on the tissue. This is how I did it. This made it a lot faster, so all I had to do was just wrap. And yeah, like, I popped my shit with this. Like, it took me a minute. I was nervous, but you have to be confident. I feel like when you're not confident, that's when you mess up your hair. You have to be confident. Like, watch as many YouTube videos as you can to build up your confidence. I'm telling y'all, trust me. If you got the confidence, you're going to ace it, because you like, yeah, I got this. You're going to know what you're doing. I feel like when you hesitant, that's when you mess up. That's when you mess up. You cannot be hesitant, y'all. Also, when you're doing this, take your time. Take your time. I also told y'all that I'm using old bundles. If you got old bundles, use it, baby. You do not have to go to the beauty supply store to buy more hair, okay? You don't have to do that. You do not have to do that. So yeah, I'm just taking my time doing this, making sure I get it straight, y'all. I'm so tired. My arms probably was tired as hell. So y'all know when you got your hand up in your head for too long, you just get real tired. Yeah, basically that's what that was. But I feel like I did really good, y'all. I feel like I did really good. So now y'all see I'm not even patient. That's what I'm telling y'all. When y'all do your hair, be patient. So just go in, flat iron it, make sure everything is bone straight. The flat irons that I got are Baby Bliss flat irons. I like them. I feel like they work well for me. I fell in love, you guys. Like, yeah, see how my leave out? If I had a straightening comb and a wax stick, it would have been perfect. For the edges, y'all see the edge control that I'm using in the beginning. All you want to do is just use your finger and swoop. You don't want to use like too much on the back side, because you don't want to stiffen the hair up, but just use enough to just get you through. Like I told you, what you do to one side, you do to the other. Y'all see I don't got that much baby hair. That's so crazy. That is so crazy. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys learned. Well, we're gonna see how this audio sound. I might have to redo it. I'm gonna be so mad. Y'all, look, it came out so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, yeah, I love this. At first I was like, no, I look so childish, but it really came out cute. But thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Please subscribe. Also, go watch my vlogs, y'all. Go watch the vlogs. And yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Every single day and night, even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. Know that I can always be myself.
around you more than anybody else. And every day as I'm heading off to school, you know there's no one I love as much as you. A family, proud family.